So this is going to be another video, another unboxing. This time it's going to be about the Pilot TPMS. And what some of you guys probably don't know what TPMS stands for is tire pressure monitoring system. So I ordered these for my new Enkei rims that I ordered the other day. Let's see what's in the box. So it's the valve stem nut. What else is in here? This, I'm not really sure of the name, but this is the part that lets your computer know, car, radio, however you got it set up. So it lets you know when your tire pressure is low. What else is in the box? What's this? So it's installation instructions, warning, warranty and all that stuff. DOM, I'm not sure what that is, but that's the number. Alright, let's cut this open. There's the valve stem nut. Looks like a T, probably a T15. Here's the valve stem. It's aluminum. Get it focused. The cap's plastic, but you can replace that, so I'm not really worried about it. Alright, so for assembly, you get the bottom part like this, connect it. Then you want to get your valve stem nut and put it in there. Let me get the Torx real quick. I think it's a T15. Yeah, so it's a T15 for sure. So get something like this or anything that's a T15 socket. So what we're gonna do is connect it and make sure it screws in. It's in the angle. Now, you don't want to tighten it so much because when you put it onto the rim, it has to be in an angle. So once you set it, install it, has to be in the angle. See, got a little play with it. But I'll show this in the next video. So that's it, y'all. See you on the next one.